end of the year.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, if you're a returning subscriber. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Feyi. I'm a lifestyle and beauty content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, and this is the place you want to be. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on your post notification to be notified when a new video goes up. Okay, all right. I am so excited because I haven't sat down to shoot a YouTube video in so long. I can boldly say it's been months since I have shot a sit down YouTube video. And in as much as I like putting up vlogs, I also love sitting down, creating content, especially makeup content for you guys. Moving on, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get your makeup to last long. I know that some of you are in this category where you put on makeup and then in 1-2 hours it starts wearing off, or when you sweat it starts showing, or your makeup starts, sweating off. Girl, don't worry, it's the season. Okay, we're already, even in, if you're in Nigeria, you know that we are in heat season already, so do not worry. I'm here to teach you how to get your makeup last longer despite the season that you are in. All right, so for some of you who do not know this, you need to know that a good skin prep is the first step to maintaining a long-lasting makeup. So as you can see, after I have applied my toner, serum, moisturizer, I go in with my setting spray. This is just to lock in all the moisture, and then applying my primer all over my T-zone, places where I sweat a lot, just to avoid sweating. And then I apply my foundation, spread it out all over my face, spray my setting spray all over again, and then blend the foundation with my brush or beauty blender. Then go in with my concealer. Make sure not to put concealer towards the edge of your under eyes. So I prefer applying all my cream products together, my contour, concealer, blush. That way I can be able to do everything at once and I will reduce the products applied on it. So after I have already applied this, I blend it out from the concealer to the contour, and the blush is the last thing that I do. Then I go in with a blender as well again. This is to ensure that everything is very blended and to avoid harsh line. Now a secret tip, y'all, I always apply setting spray on my blender and then go over it again, go over my face again with the blender to just, I don't know, add an extra push. So then I set my face first. I dust out every excesses on my beauty blender, and then I just press in the powder to my under eyes, my highlights, before I go in with the baking technique. So for you, as you can see, the baking technique, I just apply powder around my nose area, and then I also apply powder on my eyebrows because I tend to sweat there a lot, and then I just go over my face with the powder palette to do finishing touches, apply lipstick. See, I'm looking cute. Then I go in with the setting spray again, and then I apply setting spray on my beauty blender and still pressing my face, okay, and lock everything together and purr. Like, see how I'm looking so cute. Following this technique will get you a very long lasting makeup this Christmas season. Let me know when you try this. Don't forget to like and subscribe.